Hello, I wanted to show you today how to set up your Zoom meeting, which you need to do with your group by February 1st and email that to them and to me. So I'm signed into MyHack, and on the left-hand side here, you'll want to click on Zoom. And this is for whoever sets up the meeting. Only one group member needs to set up the meeting. Now, we also need to click on sign in here because that's where we will schedule a meeting for a particular date and time. So let's sign in. Now, I'm already signed into my hack, so I know I'm in my hack account because that's the picture I've used for that. Now, to schedule a meeting, we're going to click here on the right-hand side. Click on schedule a meeting, and we want to name the meeting. So I'm going to just name it Business 290 Group. I'm going to pick a date, the date that you choose. So I'm just going to pick tomorrow, Saturday 1/16, and I'll make it for 1 o'clock. I asked you to make at least a 40-minute meeting, so we'll go and change the time to 45 minutes. Eastern time is all right. Now, if you want to set this as a weekly meeting for your group, and you want to schedule like 5 of these, you can put recurring meeting and then put weekly. This way you don't have to go in and do this every week. And then you can have an end date there. This will schedule 7 occurrences. You can go in and schedule more than that if you wanted to. I'm just going to leave it at 7. You have to click on some type of security. I find the easiest one is just passcode, and that passcode will go out with the email invitation. Once we finish here, you'll see the invitation. So that's the easiest thing. If you use a waiting room, you have to let people in, and that gets to be a pain. So we want to leave video on for both the host and the participants. We want to leave audio for both and then allow participants to join anytime. That way, if they're a few minutes late, they can join. And then we'll just click save. And it's that simple. Now, the last thing that we need to do is we need to copy the invitation. And that is here in the middle on the right. So we'll click on copy invitation. And then you want to see all of our 7 meeting times we set up. The passcode is on here. So we're going to copy that meeting invitation. That copies it to the clipboard. And then we can copy that into our email. Whoever is going to set up the Zoom meeting for the group, copy that into the email that you send to the group and to me. And that is pretty much it to set up the meeting. You're finished. Now, to start a meeting, you would go back into sign in, and then you can see that all of your meetings that you set up are here. So I'm going to click on that, and then I would just click on start meeting, and that would allow the host to start that meeting for tomorrow at 1 o'clock. And that is it. If you have any questions, please post them on the Module 1 discussion board. I'll talk to you all later this week.